All right, so it's the day before our first race. We have been busting our absolute tail on this thing. When we first got here, motor wouldn't run. We had to go through a ton of stuff to get that figured out. Went through some wiring and some plumbing issues yesterday at the tuner. It was a 10-hour day trying to get everything done. We got here, started doing some shock tuning. Everything was going smooth. We were so happy with the buggy. It starts up, it runs, got plenty of power. We were running up and down the hill. I went to start it and there was no oil pressure. So we had to pull the whole bottom of the motor off. We actually had to cut part of the subframe because the oil pan wouldn't clear. And Shane had to run all the way down to Birmingham to go pick up some parts about an hour away.
Again.
And again, and now that we're back, we're putting this thing back together right now, and it seems to be going pretty well. And how are you feeling right now, the day before the race, after all this hard work?
Well, just the stress is absolutely unreal. I mean, it's if it could go wrong, it has went wrong.
Yeah.
You know, but we're gonna get this thing back together, and we're gonna break bad tomorrow.
Yeah. Shane's probably the only person with worse luck than me.
Yeah, it's gonna change tomorrow morning.
Yeah, yeah. We're not giving up. We've come too far, right?
That's right.
All right, well, we're gonna get this thing done.
Canisters don't like that pressure washer.
What are you doing over there?
What's that?
What are you doing over there?
Race prep. Final race prep.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You getting her all dolled up?
I'm just drying all the tears off of it.
All the blood, sweat, and tears?
That's right.
Man, it's been a hell of a last couple days, right? A week and a day.
That's right. We are, let me look. So it is 12:26. We're going to lose an hour, so it's really 1:26. So yeah, in 8 hours, we're going to be strapping in and going up a hill.
In 8 hours, we're going to be strapping in, going up a hill, and it takes you 4 hours to get there.
That's right.
And you lose an hour.
That's right.
Because we're central, and they're eastern.
So, I don't know. I mean, this thing's insane, and I'm starting to think we're a little bit insane and going to be low on sleep. It could make for a good show tomorrow.
I love it. So basically the brake pedal's not returning back up the way it's supposed to. So we tried all sorts of stuff and ended up with a bouncy ball behind the pedal. What do you think about that?
It's kind of fitting for this build. Most sports take one ball. Many people think rock bouncing takes two balls.
This buggy takes three.
Rock bouncer in the world, so it takes three.
And this is the man with the plan. That is absolutely genius. Look at this. Here we are trying to come up with springs and such. And that bouncy ball just does the trick. No more sticking pedal. Excellent. All right, well, we're all loaded up. Shane's basically going to get about 3 hours of sleep and go race tomorrow. Buggy's in the trailer, and as you can see, it is a super tight squeeze with this buggy inside here. The back's touching. If it fits, it ships, right?
You made it!
Wait till you see my brake spring.
Oh yeah?
Chris is a genius.
That's what we've been waiting for right here. Gold Rush, first run on a hill. notice I have some hearing protection this time. That buggy is pretty much the reason why. So loud. Tell me what your first drive in your new buggy. Tell me what it was like.
Well, it's been like the entire build. There's a lot of ups and downs. I'm ready for more ups than downs.
Right.
I don't know. I mean, it was good overall. We made both hills. You know, we're 4 hills in, and borrowed buggy first time, and my own buggy this time with little to no shock tuning and
no seat time at all.
0 seat time.
Yeah.
You just kind of show up and go after it, and I don't know. There's going to be a learning curve to the horsepower for sure.
Yeah.
I don't think it's uncontrollable, but I think I'm going to have to learn to control it.
Right.
So get the suspension right, get myself right, and try to show up with on more than 2 hours of sleep next time.
Yeah. That always helps.
We're going to do work, so we're going to keep after it. I'm Shane Christensen from Perryville, Missouri, and I drive Gold Rush.